In this video, I will show you how to see followers on Phantom Wallet. If you're curious of those who are actually currently following you on Phantom Wallet, here's what you can do to check the list of your followers. So simply go ahead and open Phantom Wallet on your device. Make sure you're signed in into your account. Click on the top left corner of your screen and you'll get redirected into your profile. Click on the view profile button from here and you'll be able to find your number of followers. Now click on that number of followers and you'll get redirected into a page where you'll actually find your followers list along with your following list. So if you want to know those individuals who are currently following you can simply check on the followers list. And if you want to check the current individuals that you're currently following on Phantom Wallet, you can go ahead and head over into the following list. And that is basically how you can check your follower list on Phantom Wallet.